Oh, so sorry to hear about your red day. Here's five big booms. Boom, 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 boom. Couldn't be me. Green 140 bucks, baby. Back to back $100 days. Haven't had this shit since I don't know. Probably November, December maybe. Feels good. 2.15 profit factor, and on the week that brings it 1.76. A lot closer. Well, I mean, better than I expected, better than I wanted it to be this week. So I'm pretty stoked on that. And it's definitely one of my best weeks in a very long time. So pretty stoked. Yeah, and then um, yeah, I'll get to the trades. I'll stop stalling. Oh, it was all. Let me do this real quick. It was all on fucking boom PSTV. 117 bucks on that, and then a little bit on SAG and Wint. Wint was like Ater yesterday, part 2 ATER. It was the movement was a little goofy, but I definitely underperformed on Wint and definitely could have made a lot more on PSTV. Unfortunately, I don't have most of it recorded because I stopped the stream because I thought it was going to be dead, and then PSTV went crazy. But I'll show the chart on Thinkorswim so I can look at it too after I go through some of these trades. Off open, it kind of looked like shit. We had like a couple 50% gappers, and the top gapper was 70%, but nothing was looking fantastic. Kind of trying to figure out which one was going to be the main watch because, like I said, it would all kind of look like shit. It would pop and then it would go down like this, and then just be like, oh, on to the next. SAG. I know I traded it a little bit.
No.
Oh. And there's Went back up. Taking a stab high. Insta cut. 73. Looking for the 73 pre-market high break. Just with how sporadic this is, I don't want to get in too high and then get flushed a quick 5 cents. That's never fun.
Goodness gracious. No, don't go there. When are you gonna go?
Let's see this break. I missed the break just because I was scared to get in high. 75, 73. Quick tip. Good added 75, got in high. Got out for a couple cents there. It was just hard to trust this thing. If I wanted to make decent profit on the dips, then I would have had to add, like anticipate a little more, either add as it slowed. I mean, it wasn't really slowing, I guess, but just kind of add at a level where I thought it would bounce, but damn, my throat.
I'm just watching this for whatever reason.
Oh, let me move this.
I was trying to get him low.
Boom. There's this morning's me.
Don't want to chase this thing, get flushed.
Yeah, like I said, I don't know if you can hear it, but I didn't want to chase this thing. I didn't want to chase it high and do the same thing that I did on Ader. Yesterday. I gave back too much doing that. Like that right there. Normally when the market's hot, I would add it as this candle's going green again, but I try it right there. But it's just like,
Oh,
this thing's like old people fucking. Jesus, this thing. Let's see this.
is that true?
This thing was whatever. I'm not mad that I missed some of this.
Never did.
Let's see this 3 break actually. And then I want to focus on the other ones.
Yeah, close over.
Here we go.
Oh shoot.
And this time it just
Oh,
continues kind of smoothly.
What did I get
Comes
out
right
of?
back down. I don't know. Fuck this thing. I want to look at something else. Oh yeah, I think this bitch went 340. Hold up. I'll watch this one.
Oh shoot.
Goes up, breaks 3,
oh my
comes
god.
right back down under it.
What did I get out of?
Looking a little unsteady.
Oh, 1. Let's go, baby.
A lot of volume though. This thing had all the volume at this point. Back through 3.
Never did.
Whoosh. Boom.
Never did.
Do 305. Just
Oof.
boom. What are you gonna do? Shoulda added. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. The biggest part that I'm happy about today is the lack
Real
of,
volume.
for the most part, lack of mistakes or less stupid trades, less brain fart trades. Because yesterday I had
So
a couple of
tired.
those. Like I gave back $15 for no reason.
Everything's so difficult.
Like completely no reason, just like total brain fart of a trade. So I didn't have. I don't think I had any of those today, which I'm happy about. I did give back a little more. Did take a little too many losses on PSTV, but still ended up $100 green on it, so I can't be too mad. Let's look at this 180 TX.
What is that?
Back through 12, just sent this bitch. Coming over to it late. Look back over at the level 2, and by the time I look over, it's already the move.
Why did I come over so late? Okay, it was yesterday.
I was wasting time sitting there and went. Bad trade here. Try to take. Oh, I thought it was just gonna be another ripper over, but that's not the climate that this thing was in. So should have been waiting for a decent dip. Which I think I do make that money right back right here. I think I'm looking for the first. Honestly, just looking to where it holds, but maybe the first dip under 12. And I do take it right here. Ooh. I kind of lucked out. That was a lot lower than I wanted. But it was right at VWAP.
Were you in?
What's up?
Were you in?
Took a little bounce,
Fuck
but
no,
that's
not the-
kind of too high risk of
not
a
a
trade
quick
there.
bounce. I was in
Could have came a lot
66.
lower on me.
Pretty.
I just I'm gonna take a little less shares because I haven't traded this one yet.
Sag out of a hole. Let's see.
Okay, they held it. I should have been in.
Held 22.
Okay. Oh wow.
I think this thing does end up going. Dipped under 22 right there. 20. That was the thing about PSTV. A lot of bear traps. Be holding a shelf for a very long time.
Yikes.
Oh yeah, I just
Like a 6 bottom, and they would dip like a few cents below it, and they just rip over. I don't have it recorded, but I'll look at it on the chart if I remember. Ay ay ay. Story of today. Still, all my mistakes for the most part are waiting too long to get in and getting in too high. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just getting in too high. My biggest mistakes. A lot of the time I need to anticipate a little more, or just like either have quicker reactions or anticipate a little more. So realistically anticipate a little bit more. But it's hard for me to trust
Oh, I'm so.
adding
Why do I
off
keep doing this to
anticipation
myself?
in a weaker market. Today obviously was a little bit stronger, especially PSTV. But yeah, went back up 32. Looking for the break of 32 and then through 40. Never printed over 40. Look at that, adding late.
Okay.
Insta cut, thankfully, and blessed to get out practically break even on that. But it could have been easily 10-cent loss adding that late. So need to be fixing that.
get in it. BTX down one.
I think a lot of it is slow reactions. My fucking dog was barking like crazy last night. I had to go down there like 4 times between like 2 and 4 a.m. Not an excuse guy though. Not an excuse guy at all. So
Hey,
being super patient. I think like an hour into the market open, I only had like 30
back to red.
trades.
Minus.
I just didn't want to have a roller coaster like I did yesterday. Up 30, back down, break
And then
even,
22 orders. Taking them like
back up, back to like it was just didn't want another one of those. So I was trying to be conservative until something really strong was going, which PSTV thankfully did come. So I put the gas pedal down a little bit more on that once it did reveal itself. Went back up looking. I don't think it ever printed over 40, just then it did. Instantly back down, hoping for a 50 break, but that hard of a rejection. It's looking a lot less likely, at least right now. Ooh. It's gonna be an early night today. PSTV was down in the 60s. I didn't realize. God damn. That's crazy. 80TX. Back on SAG. Oh, here's a decent winner. Let's go. 150 shares. Pussy. I should be trading my 300 hotkey, but I just had no confidence on this or on any of them at this point, just because it felt like everything was really weak and kind of sketchy. So, on that note, still caught it though. My receptors were down. Boom, add. Had a whole 10 minutes to react there, and I still got in late. Thankfully, still took a 3-cent winner.
what? Okay.
No, that's you, buddy. I was about to try to blame my fill there, but that was 100% on me. I added late.
Me too.
32 dip to 30. There we go. Went to 200 instead of just clicking 300. I don't know why. Need to get over that fear thing. Tap 39 again. 32 dip would be ideal. Doesn't come. It breaks 39 there, but doesn't continue. I did late, but I thought it was gonna continue decently there when it broke 39 through 40, but broke by a penny. Back up at 40. Should be getting in. Waiting to see a push. Doesn't come yet. Tried to add this dip. Shit, I was out of it this morning. Cut.
Bro, what am I?
This thing was goofy, but that was all these losses so far on me. These are just bad trades. My reactions are fucking down. I might, maybe I'll try waking up earlier. I don't know what I'm shaking my head at.
I'll sleep.
Let's see this one.
How do I? How do I get filled the fucking?
The bid's still building, so I'm still holding this. Mediocre trading up to this point.
I have IRL lag.
No.
Wyatt said he's got IRL lag. I clearly did at this point too. Looking for dip off 32. I'm in 34. Gotta sell. Because I'm in too high. See? Those are the main mistakes as of late, are just getting in too high. Just gotta trust myself a little more instead of waiting for the extra confirmation. But 80TX broke again. This thing was just up and down all day, and then eventually it faded.
Is this?
Not all day. It was up and down for the morning, and then it faded throughout the rest of the day. Sag's back up. Looking for the 40 busta. It's a quad top on the 1 minute. Double top on the 5. Maybe a quick dip, and I don't know why I have 36 instead of 35 marked, but should have added there 36. Getting in through 39.
I can't, bro. Every trade I take.
Why did I hold that for that long? Okay, now we're looking for the 40 busta. Now or never. 35 dip. Boom. Should have added. Could already be up 3 cents on it. Selling there. Re-adding for the 40 break. Instead, you're late, pal. I mean, I didn't realize it was this bad, y'all. Wyatt, if you're watching, I lucked out. Add. Jesus Christ. What a lucky dog. That could have been a 5-cent loser. Instead, I get 2 cents on it.
Red deep. Okay.
So I'm blessed at this point to be. I'm lucky to be green at this point. RR again. It broke that 30 level that I was talking about yesterday. But just had no volume the entire way. So maybe if I see that daily setup, I could in the future try to add for swing trades, but that's for another time. Ba, ba, ba. What else do we have going? This is PSTV at this point. It opened in the 50s. Lows of like 57. That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm too
I'll
tired
show the
to do this
Thinkorswim
shit.
chart in a second. See if there's any more trades I want to look at. But at that point on PSTV, I didn't want to fuck with it. I didn't want to touch it. I didn't want to deal with the
31,000
penny.
shares in the win.
I said it before, but
Let's go.
as of lately, I've had the thought of only trading pennies near the dollar break. It doesn't have to be right at it, but just somewhere like up in the 90s. And hoping for a dollar break on it. Ba-ba.
Oh, okay.
Hanging out, staying patient. Waiting for something to be going. SAG is back up. Did I take this trade back to 37 or did I miss it? Okay, now we're on it. Let's see the trades on this thing. Took it to 40, quick cut. I see more awake now. The reaction times are a little quicker. Just took an extra hour to wake up.
Okay.
Oh.
Uh,
Fuck, through 40 and 50. Already missed the bulk of this move, but. Ooh. See this 48 busta? 48.50 busta? Okay, they pushed the hole a little higher. That's something that I always like to keep in my head if it's close to the hole and it's kind of like being held down. Boom, I like that. Sold too quick, but I'm glad I at least caught the break and wasn't late this time. I maybe didn't realize that they pushed the hole. But it is something I like to keep in my head if it's near the hole. Definitely to see when they push it because sometimes they'll be waiting for the hole to push up before they send it higher. So I like to keep that in mind. Quick dip under 50. That's fine. Kept the wrist tight, just looking to see if it chased higher.
shit.
Holds at 59, which is right at pre-market high. First dip under 50 would be really nice, right at that 48. Low 50s. Hole in there could have added. See that again. Comes down, low 50s, 52. Holding. Add. Sell. Add.
I just
Good quick cut there. Could have been a 2-cent loser. Instead got out. Break even. Half-cent loser.
48.
Yeah, now really looking for 48 would be great, but might just continue up through pre-market like this. I got like a smirk on my face when I'm trading. That's just kind of goofy. First dip under 50. Doesn't do it there. First dip under 50. Boom. Add. Nice. Still a little delayed. Got. Yeah, that was on me. Boom. Add. Half second delay. Got in 51 because of it.
Oh my god.
How did I get in 51?
Because you're slow. That's why, buddy.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wasn't even fucking. I was one
Oh.
half decent trip.
White got back green, so I was
STV.
shooting the 3. Is there anything else worth noting in here? If not, what the fuck I'm grinning for? Oh, flag is back up. Let's see. Taking more trades on it. Want to see it hold over 48 now. That shoulder.
Why didn't I just add?
Yeah, I could have. I was just thinking the same thing. I asked myself why I didn't add, and there was a perfect opportunity there.
Why didn't I just add? I'm brain dead.
Does it fail here? Now PSTV's in the 80s. This thing makes a crazy candle right here. I remember it. This is when we started looking at it. Up near 90, like I said. Or just like, I don't know, a lot of penny movement is just not the way I like to trade. It's a lot harder to.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
It's like this one. Boom. Okay. Let's go back a little bit. Dips. Holds. Buyers come in. Boom. In 86.5. Looking for the 87 break. 88. The 88 break realistically, not 87. See that little ear? The little ear in the tape right here. Ear. I got scared.
No. Oh.
What a rookie.
Nice. I fucking sold 88.
Yeah, I sold too quick on that one. I got scared. I thought I was gonna hesitate there. 88 dip, right under 88. Held there.
What did I get out at? Yeah, 88.
Oh, tap 93 interjected there, so just setting alerts and hanging out, being patient. I think that's kind of it. See if there's anything else notable real quick. And then I want to look at the PSTV chart on Thinkorswim.
Wait.
Okay, that's it for that. Now I'll go over here. Here it is, 141. On today. Boom. Let's look at PSTV. God damn it. Let's get rid of these. Alright. Open 50s, man. That's crazy. Boom. Topped. Boom. Topped. Sorry, let me get rid of that one. Boom. Boom. 208. Man. That's crazy. This one and what's it called yesterday? I already forgot the name. Just break through $1 and it went crazy. And then faded after 208. But look at all this opportunity, man. Insanity. Oh, the bear traps I was talking about. There's one specific one that I'm thinking of that was made a crazy move. I'm not gonna be able to pull it. Oh, here it is. So this candle right here in this zone, it was bottoming 145. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes straight. Just 145 to 149. Sorry, 148. Dip below 141. Looked like it might fail, and then double bottom there 141. Ripped 155. Um, Came right back down, bottom there 134. Yeah, there was a lot of opportunity. I missed a ton and also lost too much on stupid trades. Not like crazy big losers, but just a lot of little dumb trades that were unnecessary that I was like buying late and stuff like that. But yeah, wild day, wild day. Could have been a lot bigger. Could have easily been a 200 plus day if I would have caught a little more. Still had 290 orders, which is a lot for this current month, but overall, little less than I'll probably see in the future on a stock that goes that crazy. But yeah, I wish I had more recorded. It was kind of like just being lazy. Once it started going, I was like, oh fuck, I should probably start recording, but I didn't want to miss it. And then once it would stop, I would think, oh, that's probably it for now. So try to be better at that in the future. But yeah, today green 141, back to back $100 days for the first time in a while. So pretty stoked on that. And yeah, spring green. See you tomorrow.